জয় বিশ্বেশ্বরী জয় বিশালাক্ষী জয়
I couldn't imagine Deepu would behave with Nayan like this. I couldn't imagine. Now I'm confident that only Deepu can dominate Nayan. What are we waiting for? Let's celebrate!
Yes, let's do it.
One second. Jayant, will you please come with us? We need to discuss the wedding arrangements.
Yes, of course. Let's go. I'll decorate the entire house. Then we'll see what harm they cause me. Our bed will also be decorated with these flowers only.
What happened then? Are you sad or what? Oh my. You know, I'm feeling really bad looking at you. What were you saying, by the way? I'm causing my bad luck, right? I'm feeling just the opposite of it, you know? It feels like you are bringing your own bad luck. You have started digging your own grave. Didn't you hear what Drito said before leaving?
to our bed.
Will also be decorated with my favorite flowers. To Drito, my choices are slowly becoming important. Nayan, you better start packing your bags now. Because only a few hours left. But I must admit one thing. You are a very good fighter. You fought till the end, didn't you? It's fun to defeat a tough competitor, right? By the way, thanks for giving me this happiness. Thank you. Go now. Don't be seated. Start packing your bags now. Jayanta, could you do something to handle Tarun Karmakar?
I just can't understand. No one is answering the call. I'm just fed up with them. They're all irresponsible. Hey, I think I should call Sudha's father once. I might get to know the situation. Hello, Dad? Hello? Hello?
What happened? Will you tell me what
I
happened?
don't know. He received the call, but it got disconnected. I couldn't hear anything.
What? What do you mean by he received your call? Does that mean Tarun Karmakar is still in a condition to receive calls? That means those people couldn't do their jobs properly, right? Oh Lord, I can't think straight. What if Tarun Karmakar arrives in the middle of the wedding ceremony? What will we do if he discloses our truth? Jayanta, brother, please do something. What should I do? I just can't think of anything. Please do something.
Hey, Jasmine. Hey, you two come in. Why are you standing there? Go there. Jayant, you will have to come out now. Jasmine, they have come to adorn you. Get ready quickly.
I don't want any of it.
What do you mean you don't want it?
I mean, I can get ready by myself, Mrs. Basu. Please ask them to leave.
What are you saying, Jasmine? I brought them from the biggest parlor in the city to adorn you. It's your special day. How can you get ready on your own? No, I won't hear that. Sit quietly. Hey, you get started. Go on.
Ask them to leave. I told you I could do it myself.
Jasmine, just relax and be seated. Why are you still standing? Go.
You can try to break their marriage after they get married. Then what?
Let the wedding happen first. I'm sure you don't want to bring your bad luck, will you? Believe me, Jasmine ma'am, I don't want to do any harm to you. But you are inviting your bad luck yourself, Jasmine ma'am.
Nayan is not going to let me win at any cost. On the other end, it seems like Tarun Karmakar also survived. We will lose this huge property and so much money because of Nayan. No, this can't happen. That cannot happen at any cost.
No. The lower part. Yes, like this.
Please stop it! I've been telling you for so long that I don't want it. I can do it myself, Mrs. Basu. Please ask them to leave. Please.
Jasmine?
Please. Ask them to leave.
Come with me. Strange girl. She behaved so rudely with me. Just a while back, she was chanting my name. Oh, now she calls me Aunt Sanjukta often. Strange. What a weird girl she is. Just because it's her special day, I spared her. Otherwise, I would have shown her that nobody can misbehave with me in this house.
What's up, Mrs. Basu? Why are you standing here? Is Jasmine being adorned?
Adorn her? She said that she wouldn't get ready. You can't imagine how she insulted me in front of those beauticians.
Oof. Why does Jasmine do this? How could she misbehave with them at this moment? Very sorry, Mrs. Basu. I apologize to you on her behalf. Actually, she's a bit mad at me. Mad might be the wrong word. I'll say she's upset. I told her a while ago that she would have to leave the father's house. So now focus on making a family with Dripto. That's it. And she got furious. Do you know what she said? What do you mean by leaving father's house? Will you all become outsiders? I think that's why she reacted like that. Don't worry at all. I'll go and bring her back. I promise you it'll take only 2 minutes. And then she'll come close to you again. Listen, you all don't go anywhere, okay? Please wait here. Guess what? The job is done. They called me just now. They couldn't answer my call at first because they were struggling to tackle with him. When I called Sudha's dad later, they received the phone. But the call got disconnected because of poor network. And now they just called to tell me that Tarun Karmakar is lying at the rail yard half dead.
Yes.
Easy. What are you doing? You got rid of your anger now. And what did you say to Dripto's mother? Mrs. Basu is so furious.
I don't care.
Jasmine, you are now crossing your limits. Listen now, please calm down. Put a smile on your face and sit down to get ready. Not a word anymore. I'm calling them. Okay? Mrs. Basu, You know, my sister is really crazy. She was upset about leaving her dad and brother. Please forgive her, okay? Come. Come in.
Aunt, I'm very sorry. I did not intend to hurt you. Please trust me. Actually, whatever happened, Jayanta is the one to blame. He made me angry, and I ended up behaving rudely with you. Please don't mind. Please, don't stay mad at me, okay? Now I'll get makeup done exactly the way you want, okay? All right?
Come inside. Go.
Tarun Karmakar is gone. Now I will see how Nayan stops our wedding. Hey Deepu, come fast. Don't delay anymore. Piku, are you ready?
Yes, Aunt Durba, we are ready. Dripto, come on, let's go. Hurry up. Aunt Durba, I don't understand one thing. What is the reason for sending Dripto to the temple today?
Don't you understand anything? Deepu and Jasmine stay in the same house. So the groom will go to the temple, seek blessings, and then come to marry. Understand?
Oh, okay. I got it.
Leave me.
Come here. Shh. Keep quiet.
Why do you drag me everywhere? I don't like it, Rangana. I don't like all this. Please let me go.
Please, Aunt Pratima. I know you don't like to come here. But what would you do? Dripto is getting married to Chowmin in front of our eyes. I feel so bad. But it is a family function after all. We should be present, shouldn't we?
There is no life in this function. Do you know what a festival is? Something that brings good fortune. Here no one is having good fortune. I feel helpless. To think that I have to watch everything happening in front of my eyes and I can't do anything.
You are right, Aunt Pratima. I feel like becoming a statue. A statue can't hear, can't see, or can't even talk. Then I wouldn't have felt so sad for my friend. We would have enjoyed ourselves like them.
Topobrato, your son is going to the temple. Bless him.
Today you are going to marry of your own accord. Why isn't there a smile on your face, Deepu?
Thank you, Dad, for understanding me so well. Thank you.
Why did you say this, Deepu? Does that mean you don't want this wedding to happen? But you said that Nayan wouldn't be able to stop your wedding anymore? Then? Be happy, son.
I want to be happy, Dad. Where is Grandma?
Mom, actually,
She said she wouldn't come. Am I right? All right. she doesn't need to. I won't force anyone. No one.
It's okay if anyone doesn't want to come. We are here. There's nothing to be gloomy about. Sanjukta, come here. The boy is leaving. Rangana! Why are you standing quietly? Make Uludwani. Blow the conch shell. Make some noise.
Where is Nayan? She can't be seen anywhere. I get it. She lies taking mom's name. She tried to falsely prove Jasmine a murderer and stooped so low in my eyes that she cannot face me anymore. I can't imagine this.
Deepu, let's go now. You cannot stay afar, Nayan. You have to face him. You have to stand and see that Deepu is going to get married. Come with me. Hurry up and come along, Nayan. To where? What do you mean by where? Won't you blow the conch shell?
No. I can't stand in front of Tripto right now. I can't. I can't do it. Please leave me alone.
What do you mean by you can't? What do you mean by that? Couldn't you understand me yet, Nayan? Didn't I tell you that I am very vindictive? I will harass you before you leave this place. Then I will drive you away. Hurry up, come along. Didn't you hear it? Come, let's go. Hurry up. Remember that you are a maid servant. You are bound to follow your master's command. Come on. Now, blow it. Come on.
Did you see that? She again dragged that girl here. They can't do anything except torture people. That's why I don't want to stay with them.
I didn't bring you here to keep standing. Blow it. Come on.
Lotus, I feel so much pain. I can't hold the conch with my wounded hand.
The girl is so stubborn that she got pieces of glass pierced into her hands to ruin Jasmine's function.
Stop. Aunt, what is she doing here?
I called her to blow the shell.
No,
What do you mean?
she won't blow the conch shell.